What were you doing before you decided to follow us around?
After the fires happened, I just wanted to help make things better.
I want my contribution to be that I discover a species that's never been seen before and it gets named after me.
And what if it's a swamp-dwelling rodent?
What's going on today?
We're retrieving some cameras left behind by another team.
A bush rat. Oh.
What's happened here? Look at these scratches here.
Whoa.
What do you think's been chewing on it?
Could be feral pigs, wild dogs. I don't know. Can't see.